Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. It is with great joy that I inform you on this historic day that we have officially received from the Holy See, by determination of the Holy Father Pope Francis, a letter from the Dicastery for the Causes of Saints dated June 24, 2022. We have received authorization for the opening of the process of beatification of Father Cicero Romao Batista. Thus, Monsieur Magnus Henrik Lopez, Bishop of the Diocese of Crato, announced on the morning of Saturday, August 20th, the news of the opening of the beatification process of the Patriarch of the Northeast, awaited over 80 years. Workers from Salesian homes for street children in Goma attended a special course focusing on the street child phenomenon, which took place on August 18th and 19th at the Don Bosco Ngangi Youth Center. The session was organized by Father Jean Pireri, Muhima SDB, Rector of the Salesian community in Ngangi, under the guidance of Father Aim Lulinda SDB, a specialist in social pedagogy and researcher on the problems of street children. About 20 social workers and psychologists explored the principles of reception, accompaniment, reintegration or reunification. Their skills were strengthened, especially on the criteria, tools and stages of reintegration or family reunification. The spiritual exercises of families animated by Association of Mary Help of Christians, Primary of Turin, have recently concluded. The retreat, which for the first time was held in the Alpine Living Room Casa Gino Pistoni in Gressoni, Valley de Aosta, gathered almost 300 people in the period between Sunday, July 31st and Friday, August 12th. Father Alejandro Guevara Rodriguez and Father Roberti Sarelli took turns leading the catechesis and moments of sharing. It was an all-around family experience. The main protagonists are families who gather together to live these days with intensity and do exercises to renew their personal, family, ecclesial and associative spiritual life. The days are marked by intense moments of catechesis, reflection and prayer. One experiences that joy of walking together and sharing the journey of faith, centering one's life in Jesus Eucharist and entrusted to Mary Help of Christians. Meanwhile, while the parents lived the experience of the spiritual exercises, the young people, under the guidance of the animators, spent days with distinct and well-maintained parts of play, prayer and formation. In August, the Office of Social Communication of the Salesian Province of Vietnam organized a basic communication course aimed at pre-novices. Held at the Dominic Xavier Caubong community, the course was attended by 18 pre-novices. Thanks to the presence of Father Augustine Fuch, participants received practical lessons on how to write a journalistic article and how to be active and present in the digital world. The goal of the course was to equip pre-novices with the skills needed to convey the core values of the congregation to young people effectively. With the participation of more than 180 youth, the Salesian Youth Movement of Guatemala joyfully celebrated Camp Bosco 2022 on August 13 and 14. With much emotion and enthusiasm, young people from different Salesian presences gathered to thank God and Don Bosco for the Salesian charism in Guatemala. Moments of animation, formation on the apostolic exhortation, Christus Vivit and Salesian youth spirituality characterized the days of this meeting. In the end, the young people participated in the two beautiful sacraments that Don Bosco advised his young people to experience, confession and the Eucharist. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.